Hello and welcome back to another Computer Sluggish tutorial. Before we get started, have you subscribed to my YouTube channel yet? If not, be sure to click on the big red subscribe button on my main page. And once you have done this, don't forget to click on that bell to be the first to get notified when I upload a new video. In today's video, I will be showing you how to bring back the checkboxes to select items in Windows 10. As you can see, if I hover over my hard drives here, it has a little checkbox, and I can simply tick that checkbox to select all the hard drives. To enable this option, all you need to do is open up your File Explorer, and you then need to go to the top of your screen and click on View. You now need to go across to Options and just simply click on Options, and you now need to go across to View, and you now need to scroll down until you see Use Checkboxes to select items, and you just simply need to tick this checkbox. And once you have, you can then go ahead and press Apply and OK, and you will now have checkboxes next to folders, hard drives, any items on Windows 10. I hope this tutorial has helped. If it has, hit the like button below and subscribe for more Computer Sluggish tutorials.